Put all your weight on your right. Okay, 6, 7, go. Right. Weight on your right. Then you go turn. Yes, good. One more. 5, 6. Then take it from turn. 6, 7, go. Twist. Twist. Turn back. Okay. Now, when you land your left, you need to swing. Then you go ball change. Okay. Sorry, ball change. Change. Skip. Alright, 5, 6, 7, go. Boom. Then you go another and twist. Alright, one more time. So you take it from turn in, 6, 7, go. Turn in. You go twist, left, and a change. Okay, good. One more. So this is a bit fast. Let's say from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Turn in, twist, back, and a change. Okay, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, we go, and a right, and a tap, turn, and change. Okay, now you just need to go right, left, Okay, so this is, when you reach your right hand, I go tap left, foot. So you go, ha, ha. Okay, you're just moving up to the back. So you go, ha. One more, 6, 7, go right hand, left foot. 7, go, right hand, left foot. Switch, right hand, left foot, and switch. Alright, we go. 5, 6, 7, we go, and in, and turn to the back, and a change, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, move on.